everyone, welcome to pctricksguru.com, and in today's video tutorial I will be showing you that how can we convert a black and white image into a colorful image. Well, it's all done by using AI, artificial intelligence, and we have a website that's called imagecolorizer.com. For now it's free, but I'm not sure that for how long it will be free, because the results which they are providing is amazing, and you'll be surprised to see the final result after uploading a black and white picture. So let's start. Let's see how does the website perform, how to convert your black and white images to colorful images. So we just have to open the web browser and go to the website imagecolorizer.com. Now it's opening up the interface. So this is the interface of this website. Here it has given us a sample image to check that how was it looking before and after the AI colorized the picture, how is it looking after the colorization. So it's pretty good. Let's upload a sample image. So I have a sample image on my desktop. I'll just go ahead and upload it and click on start. Image is uploaded. Now it's processing the image. Okay, the processing has been completed. So let me show that how is the sample image. This is how the sample image looks. This is a black and white picture of a lady, and now let's see how does it look after the AI did its task. Click on download, and here is the result. So you can see that the perfect skin tone and hair and the background, dresses of the people, so everything, it just looks perfect. You cannot say that the image has been converted from a black and white picture. So it's great. So this website, it's pretty fast and it is doing its job very well. So that's all for today, and in the next video I'll try to bring something new. So thank you again for watching, and if you like this video, click on like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you again for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.